Good morning, everyone. It's morning for me. I'm just dropping Riley off, and we got a few little things to do today. So I'm gonna go home. I have a meeting this morning. Then I don't know if I want to put makeup on today or not, or if we're just gonna go au natural. But I do want to go to Nordstrom today because there's a fragrance that I want to smell, and it's by Parfums de Marly. I think I'm gonna like it, but because it's in store, I'm like, great, I'm gonna go and smell it. And then I need to go to the grocery store. May do some cleaning today, may not. And that's it. Today is gonna be a very low maintenance vlog, but hey, come along with me and let's get some things done today. So today has gotten away from me. I've been doing work and cleaning and all the things. But we're gonna put away my Factor meals. So Sean and I decided to try Factor because lives are busy. I don't like to cook, but we wanted to be able to have some like healthier, very quick meals so that we're not always eating out and going for unhealthy food. So we have tried Home Fresh, Hello Fresh, a couple other subscriptions. This was some years ago. And I mean, they were okay, but after a while the food kind of got repetitive, boring, didn't taste the best. And so we're trying Factor. We've heard some really good things about them. And the consistent feedback is that the food is really good. So first, let me show you how it's packaged. This is our third or fourth box, packaged very well. And they put in here 2 ice packs. So if for some reason when your meals are delivered, you're not at home and it's outside for a while, and it's hot outside, you don't have to worry about your meals getting warm and then, going sour. So we have enjoyed Factor meals. I haven't had any issues or complaints about the food quality, the taste of it. The only thing that I don't like is that if you miss that window to edit your foods, you cannot go back and edit it, even if you call them. And that was something that I think it was Home Chef. Like if I were a day late and I forgot to edit my meals, I could call them and they would edit them for me, not with Factor. So that's my tip for you. Do not miss the editing window for your meals, because if you do, you're just gonna have to get whatever they send you. Which, I mean, that has happened to us twice now, and the foods were not terrible. A couple of them we wouldn't have chosen, but we still ate them, and it is what it is. So we got potato leek mash and grilled chicken. I think this is the order that we actually forgot to choose. I think it was. So this is what the food looks like. Whoops, the potato one. And we get a total of 8 meals, so 4 meals for Sean and I. This is chicken and mushroom tetrazzini, that's how you say it. And we chose the options for low carb meals, so there's no rice in any of these meals, and if there is pasta, it's a small amount. This one is creamy lemon pepper chicken. Oh, this sounds like it would be really, really good. And I'll have a link down below if you want to try Factor. They always give like a discount referral link. So I'll have that down below. I'm not affiliated with them, but I'll provide that down there so you can try them. Chorizo spiced ground pork and poblanos is this one. I know you all can't see them too well, but these actually seem like they're pretty good. And then we've got a honey maple barbecue ground beef. That does sound good. And are these all shredded chicken taco bowl? Okay, this one, I think you tried this one before. This one's pretty good. Just tastes like a little taco meal. Yep, that's the same. And okay, that's the same. So those are factor meals. I really enjoy them, would definitely recommend them, especially if you're somebody who, like I said, you want to have meals that are fairly healthy, on the go, and all you have to do is literally like take off the plastic, pop it in the oven. You can put these in the microwave too. So these are also good if you are, let's say you were looking for something for work, you can pop them in the microwave. We pop them in the oven. In the microwave, I think you only have to put them in there for 2 minutes. Oven, 7 to 10 minutes, and it's done. So these are great. I don't get these for the girls because, I mean, they might eat some of them, but they're not gonna eat all of them, so that's gonna be a waste of money. So on the nights that I use these, I try to have some like quick, easy meals for the girls so that if I don't want to cook, I'm not feeling like I'm cooking for them, but then not really cooking for us. So I've tried to find like organic chicken nuggets that we can pop in the oven, sweet potato fries. Some nights you're getting fast food, like whatever it is for that day, that's what they're getting. And then ideally I would cook a couple of nights a week, so then whatever I cook, you know, everybody eats. It doesn't always work that way, but you know, that's the goal. Okay, so just wanted to show you the things that I picked up from Target for little Riley girl. So they had, I love the Cat and Jack collection. I got her a 4T. She's technically in a 3T, but I figured, you know, children grow and hopefully we can get some good wear, because when I say Riley be tearing up clothes, she goes to daycare, and when I pick her up, I'd be like, you look like no one loves you. Like you just, she looks so dusty. So when it comes to like daycare clothes, play clothes, I don't like to spend a lot of money, because I mean, if I only get one wear out of it, I'm not gonna be disappointed. But got her some more leggings. In pants, she's still a 3T, so that's what I went with. But aren't these shirts so cute? And let me tell y'all what I had to do. Didn't have to do this, but I just felt inclined to do it. So, more leggings. I go over, you all saw it in the clip, it was like 20% off. Now, it said baby clothing, but it was all in the toddler section. So it said Cat and Jack, 20% off, right? I go to ring up my clothes and I don't see the deduction of 20%. I look into the Target app, look at the My Circle deals, and don't see the 20% off. So I asked someone that works there, and they're like, oh, it's just baby clothing. Well, then why do you have it in the toddler section? So I said, can I speak to a manager, please? I did get her a 4T in these just to see like, how are we looking in a 4T? And so I just said, you know, as a suggestion, I understand that I'm supposed to read, but people don't read. I didn't see that part, but I'm like, you know, I saw it, but I didn't see it. I was like, I think, you know, you should probably remove the signs out of the toddler section if that 20% off is just for 12 months and under. And I mean, he was nice about it. I wasn't rude about it, but I was like, that is misleading to put, you know, 20% off, all big, all in the toddler section, and it's only for babies. Okay, now look at that. Look at the Riley with the cute little. I got a 3T in this because they didn't have a 4T, and I really wanted her to have it. Okay, we got some sweatshirts. It's just so cute to Riley girl. I know I gotta stop talking like that, but that's my baby. It's my last baby. Mama loves a distressed jean. Look at the little distress patches. Had to get her these, and I love these. I was like, I want these for myself. I love the mauve color. And then once again, we got a little distressing. So yeah, it's getting kind of brisky here. So I figured, you know, better be prepared and have some pants and long sleeve shirts while we can get them before, you know, she needs them and then I don't have them. And then just like a little, you know, what do we call this? A little jacket. So I will have links to everything down below. I don't know if I'm gonna link every individual item, but if I can't link every individual item, I'll at least link like the majority of them. I mean, I should be able to link them all. But if for some reason I can't, like, I'll just link the majority of them down below. All right, so I think that's it. Let's continue to go about my day. So we're not making it to Nordy's today. we're just gonna be around the house. So I just wanted to tell y'all some things I got in the mail today. Okay, let me tell y'all about a product from Amazon that is so unnecessary, but so necessary. These are what they call, I think they call them wrist cuffs. So when you're washing your face, you don't get water dripping down your arm or on your clothes. Okay, so I saw, I think her name's Savannah James, LeBron James's wife. She was doing, I think it was like an allure thing or something like that. She was showing us around her bathroom and showing us like her skincare, makeup drawers and things like that. And she pulled these out and I said, that is what I need in my life, because I hate when I have to wash my face when I'm not in the shower and then water either gets all on my sleeves or it runs down my arms. Like, you know, first world problems for sure, but I don't like it. Ah, look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna insert a clip of me using them. I just feel like life is complete at this moment. So really happy about these. I got a 3-pack, so we get white and gray, and I'm pretty confident it was under $10. And everything I'm showing today, if you're interested in it, I'll have links down below in the description box, so check them out if you're interested. All right, then I got a PR package from the brand called What's Up Beauty, and I have gotten PR from them from time to time. They make really beautiful products, and so they came out with a new collection. I love their brushes. They're natural haired brushes. They put me, they remind me of brushes such as, Repher. I was like, what's the name? So they have their Serengeti highlighters. So here's just an up close look at the pamphlet with the highlighters. And the highlighters are talc-free, clean, cruelty-free, vegan, and they have moisturizing benefits, and they come in 2 shades. And you can mix both shades for a 3rd color. And then I think they also included in here mascara, and I want to say they included brushes. So let me open this up and then we can see. So yes, I got their Watch Me mascara. Excited to try that. And ooh, yay. We got a face makeup brush. Like I said, I love their brushes, so I'm always excited to get new brushes. And I just like brushes in general. Ooh, yay. This is really nice. So this is what the brush looks like up close, and hopefully you can see that. It's a nice dome-shaped brush, and this is their R201 brush. Feels very soft. Oh yeah, you can use this for multiple things like contouring, blushing, highlighter. If you were just adding a very light layer of foundation to the skin, you could do that as well. I could blend out concealer with this. I could do some things with this. So definitely would agree with them that this is a face brush for sure. I was gonna put this back in here, but okay, we're not gonna do that. It's not gonna fit, so I'll just put it here. And then we've got the highlighters. I don't think I've ever tried any of their highlighters, so I'm very intrigued to try both of them because the embossing looks stunning. Okay, so here's the outer package. This is called Safari Sunset. That is the shade of this particular highlighter. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna hold it this way so you can see what it looks like. Isn't that stunning? All right, let's do a little quick swatch. So there is a more pink gold color here. Hopefully you can see that. And then we have more of a champagne color here. So I'm gonna swatch both shades separately. I don't wanna mess the embossing up because they're so pretty. Okay, so here is the more pink shade, and then here is more of the gold shade. I'm sorry, I think I got it. No, this is the gold shade, obviously, and this is the pink shade. These are really pretty, very, very soft. I cannot wait to use these. And then the other highlighter, which I am going to assume this one is the deeper one, because these look a little light. I can definitely wear them, but they look like they are just for lighter complexions. This one is called Wild Acai. Oh, so no, this is the deeper one, because this is the lighter one. Okay, alrighty, so I'm gonna swatch this pink shade here and then the white looking shade here. Oh, okay, so I said pink shade, so here we go. This is the shade that looks pink in the pan, and then this is the shade that looks white in the pan. Oh, those are pretty. Now this shade that looks white, it's not ashy, so I definitely can make it work. I will definitely be trying these out, letting you know how they look against my skin, just in case you're interested. And I'll also have the links for these down below so you can check them out. I think they are out now. If they're not out now, I'll tell you when the release date is. Okay, and then I ordered, oh, let me wipe my hands off because I'm about to show you a pair of pants. I ordered these pairs of work pants from Amazon. I'm gonna try them on to see how I like them. But they do look like they're really nice quality. So number one, I didn't even notice this when I purchased them. There is an actual zipper here. Come on, zipper pockets. The quality of these feels really nice and thick. These do not feel like a thin, cheap type of material. And the bottom is like a slight flare to the bottom of the pants. So I have some new bodysuits that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna try them on with these pants. So stay tuned for that. I'll upload that video. I'll upload it here on YouTube Shorts and also on Instagram and TikTok. I forgot what I was saying for a moment. Lastly, if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, you should. We do fun things over there that I'm not either able to do over here or that I just don't do over here. So you should follow me on Instagram. And then lastly, I got a PR package from the brand Good Wipes. I love, love, love their feminine wipes. They're not irritating. They do not throw off your pH. And they always send the funniest, like the cutest little PR packages. So Land of the Perfect Poop is what we see here. And they've got stickers in here. What is this? Look at that! Oh, y'all, thank you. If you're watching, thank you. So they threw this in as a little gift. So this is the Poopery in the scent Lavender Peppermint. So it's got notes of lavender, peppermint, and citrus. Oh, yes. Oh, this smells good. I will be tossing this in my purse because, you know, or should I keep this at home? I'll keep this at home because this is a little big, but I mean, I would put it in my purse. I have no shame with that. These are their actual wipes, so I love to use them. I like to keep them at home, and sometimes I'll purchase the travel size so I can have them in my purse. But I like these because they're flushable, they're plant-based, and these ones are hyperallergenic and they're safe for sensitive skin. And like I said, never had any irritation from any of their wipes. I've used the ones that are not for sensitive skin and they also work really well for me too, even though I have to admit I don't have sensitive skin down there. But I've used both. I've used their feminine wash and I really enjoy that too. I just really like the brand Good Wipes. I've purchased these myself and then from time to time they'll send me a PR package. So very, very happy to have these as well. And guys, I think that's it for today. Sorry we didn't go to Nordstrom today, but we will be going to Nordstrom because I really want to get that fragrance. I'm gonna try to go tomorrow and I'll film that as well because I thought about hustling, like going to get Rye, then going to Nordstrom, and I'm like, not with the toddler because I want to be like taking my time and I'm not gonna be able to do that with the Riley girl. The cheat, I love her to pieces, but homegirl be in the way, and that's what she's supposed to do, and I don't feel like doing that today. I want to be by myself, so I'm gonna try to go tomorrow and I will go ahead and vlog that. But I think that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog and you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Join the Glam Girl Squad. We'd love to have you. And always, thank you so much for all of my returning subscribers. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.